Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the QuickBooks sync failed error step by step. Yeah, if your data isn't syncing or updating properly, it can be really frustrating, but most of the time it's actually a simple fix once you go through a few checks. So first, make sure your internet connection is strong and stable. QuickBooks needs a steady connection to sync data properly, so if your Wi-Fi is weak, keeps dropping, or your network is slow, that can easily cause syncing errors. Next, try syncing again manually. Yeah, just click the update or sync button and give it a few seconds. Sometimes it's just a temporary glitch, and retrying solves it immediately without doing anything complicated. If that still doesn't work, close QuickBooks completely and reopen it. Restarting the app can clear small bugs, temporary glitches, or background issues that might be blocking the sync process. After that, double-check your account login details. Even a small change in your bank or QuickBooks password or any updated security settings can stop syncing from working. Make sure everything is correct and up to date. And yeah, also make sure your QuickBooks is running the latest version. Updates usually fix bugs, improve stability, and prevent syncing problems from happening again. It's an easy but often overlooked step. So yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix the QuickBooks sync failed error. In most cases, these steps should get your data syncing again without any problems. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.